President William Ruto na munini wake Mohagure Rigathi Gachagua makoretwo magicora bica ya Atongoria etigiri Ngai na Akristiano arumu. Okuma hĩndĩ ya kambeini cia gĩthurano iria matikoretwo magitĩra kanitha na kũringana na ubori wao, thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza mamĩoneire maru-inĩ na yacerirwo na mahoya. No kuma gatarũ ka President William Ruto na Rigathi Gachagua kambĩrĩria kũng'etherwo nĩ makũmbĩ iria makoretwo magĩthiĩ kanitha mũndũ arĩ wiki, kĩonereria kĩa ũrĩa ndũgũ yao ĩthũkĩte, kũndũ ona matangĩikarania igongona-inĩ iria mahoyagĩrwo na kũigĩrĩrwo moko.
Government of the day, the government of President William Ruto.
Atungatĩri arĩa makoretwo makĩmahoera hamwe na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza rĩu nĩ mahuhĩte coro.
Because all the way till now, I have always been thinking that this government is a government of God.
Kwa maana wakati huu wote nilikuwa nafikiria serikali hii ni serikali ya Mungu.
Because it's the one we voted for.
Kwa maana ndio tulioichagua.
To our embarrassment,
lakini kwa aibu yetu,
it's a government of fight.
This is not the government of God. It is not. We shall know them by their fruit. The Bible says that we shall know them by their fruit. And for sure there is no fruit of God here. The Bible says the devil comes to steal, kill, and destroy. John 10:10. And I repeat, the devil comes to steal, kill, and destroy. And this government has stolen, it has killed, and it has destroyed the economy. So for sure, hii ni serikali ya shetani. Ukweli.
Mutungatĩri wa President William Ruto Teresia Wairimu mwene akiuga atĩ ta kanitha nĩ maraigua macambĩte kumana na rĩera rĩa kĩũteti rĩrĩa rĩrĩ kuo kũrũmĩrĩra kũhagũrwo kwa Rigathi Gachagua.
I'm sure most of us were watching the television, we were so embarrassed.
Najua wengi wetu walikuwa watazama runinga na tuliaibika sana. Tuliaibika sana.
I wish every senator, every member of parliament can watch today's message.
Lakini wakajitolea pakubwa, wakajitolea kiguruwe. Na hawawezi lala mpaka watekeleze hilo. Shame on you, our leaders. Shame on you, our leaders. That you cannot spend your time hunting one another, but you do not care about the taxpayers who are suffering in very many ways in this country. You cannot spend your time learning the constitution on how you bring somebody down.
Riu handũ ha kũrathimwo na gwĩtanĩrwo na igũrũ, kanitha iraheana mũkana wa gũcuhũra na mahoya atongoria arĩa yaitĩrĩirie maguta kuma iturwa-inĩ iria marĩragĩra kĩgongona-inĩ.
Come on, let's arm ourselves. Somebody must go home again. People must start to go home. Home is where we want you, in your village. Don't stop anywhere. We are sending most of you home.
Na utaona hukumu ya Mungu kwa sababu wamejiwekea kipimo wenyewe. Judgment will be set upon them with the same measure they have used. The same measure will be used upon them.
Atongoria a kanitha marauga handũ ha thirikari kũrũmbũiya mabataro ma mũingĩ na kũhingia ciĩranĩro cia hĩndĩ ya kambeini, thirikari ya President William Ruto no gwĩna haranio o rĩrĩ mũingĩ ũnyoteire motungata.
As a voter, I'm embarrassed.
Kama mpiga kura ninaaibika sana.
And the next election you must convince me.
Na katika uchaguzi ujao lazima unipatie sababu. Yes.
We are sick and tired of having noise.
Tumechoshwa na kelele.
We want performers.
Tunataka watenda
we want
kazi.
Workers.
Tunataka watenda kazi.
Don't arm yourself like you are going for war.
Usivae silaha kama unaenda vitani.
Arm yourself to serve the nation of Kenya and the people who voted for you.
Yanayotusubua ni ukosefu wa kazi kwa vijana. Yanayotusubua ni ukosefu wa usalama, barabara ambazo haziko sawa sawa, stima ambazo zinapotea mara kwa mara, kusikia viwanja vyetu vya ndege vimeuziwa Wahindi. Hiyo ndio inatusubua. Hiyo ingine ambayo walideal nayo haitusubui sisi.
We can no longer trust politicians.
Munini wa President Mohagure Rigathi Gachagua augĩte mũtũrĩre wake ũrĩ hatĩka-inĩ rĩrĩa etereire igoti gũtuithania macira ma kũhagũrwo gwake. Ngiribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.